As we rapidly approach the launch of missions that will take us to the moon and beyond, learn about how rockets work and watch to the end to learn how to make your very own rocket. Rockets work because of Newton's 3 laws of motion. The first law states objects at rest remain at rest, and objects in motion remain in motion unless acted upon by another force. This means a rocket will not launch or move from the launch pad unless we ignite the fuel and have the force of that rocket be greater than the gravity working against it. This leads to the second law, which defines force as mass times acceleration. The force of rockets comes from the thrust produced when the fuel ignites. This is why the weight of rockets is so important, as to achieve liftoff, the force needs to take into consideration the weight or mass of the rocket and how fast it is going. The last law of motion is that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is where we get the most exciting part of a rocket launch. As the fuel ignites and the fires of the engine roar, the opposite reaction is that the rocket begins to rise into the air and achieve liftoff. These laws of motion allow us to explore our vast beyond and will be what one day allows us to explore and live on other planets. The supplies we will need for our rockets are a match, foil, a paperclip, and a toothpick or needle. To start, we are going to fold our paperclip into a launching platform for our rocket. Make sure you can set your match on it. Next, take a small piece of foil and roll it tightly against your match. You do not want any gapping or places for air to escape, as this will cause your rocket not to launch. Take your toothpick or needle and poke a hole right above your match head. Watch out and try not to poke yourself like I did. This hole will allow for combustion to be forced out, allowing for our liftoff. Once your rocket is constructed, it's time for launch. Take a match or candle and place it under your foil-covered match head and watch it ignite. Enjoy blasting off into our summer. Make sure to like and follow us on all social medias, and tune in next month where we let our curiosity explore the Daisy Track here at the New Mexico Museum of Space History.